Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no. So if you have any question or doubt in your mind, so you can ask spirits and angels. They will answer you and they will guide you. Okay. So we have 12 piles here. 12 stones are there. You can choose any number of stones, but one stone for one question only. So one pile for one question, but you can choose in as number of piles as you want, depending upon your questions. Okay. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for your likes, shares, and subscribes, and welcome to new subscribers, and thank you to my old subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want personal reading with me, you can contact me. My details are given below. Okay, that's all. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading. And one more thing I have observed is please press the bell symbol so that you will get the notification whenever I post a new video, because many of you are complaining that I am not posting the videos, but when I am posting no views are coming. That means you all are not able to see the video notification. So for that reason you have to press the bell symbol next to the subscribe button so that you can get the notification immediately whenever I post any video. Okay, so let us continue with the reading. I have pile number 1 clear quartz, pile 2 tree agate, pile 3 amethyst, pile 4 white agate, pile 5 lapis lazuli, pile 6 rose quartz, pile 7 green aventurine, pile 8 yellow quartz, pile 9 carnelian, pile 10 black tourmaline, pile 11 it is tiger's eye, pile 12 it is peach moonstone. Okay, so whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, whichever stone you like, then you can choose the pile accordingly. Then meditate on the pile, ask your question in your mind to spirits and angels. They will definitely guide you and answer you. Okay, that's all. Then let us start the reading with pile 1. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. So whatever the question is there in your mind, you can choose, and you can ask spirits about whether it is yes or no. So whatever is their answer, you will get to know. Okay, let us start. So we have 3 cards here. One is Ace of Swords, 3 of Pentacles, and the Fool. Okay, so I can see here you are asking about mainly you are asking about any finance related question or job related, or it's something you want to start new. Okay, something you started new or you are going to start new. Maybe this is a new business or new job, or you want to travel somewhere, and it is kind of risky for you. So you want to know whether you will succeed or not. I can see clearly that definitely I can see you are starting something new, or you want to start something new. So you are learning the things now. Okay, you are apprentice and you are learning the things now, and you want to know whether you are going in a right direction or not. So the answer is absolutely yes for you, because the Fool card also is there. So universe is saying that keep faith in universe, take leap of faith, and you can go ahead and take this risk. Okay, and also Ace of Swords is there. So that means that go ahead, and you can start whatever you want to start, you can start, because the Fool card is there. That means always you have to keep faith in universe, then universe will guide you. So the answer is yes, friends. So let us see the next one. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Okay, spirits and angels, please guide us, give us some guidance. What is the answer, yes or no? Okay, we have here judgment and two of cups and the moon. Okay, so you are asking mainly, I can see that many of you are asking about love related question, whether this person loves me or not, will we reconcile or not, will we be together or not, will he marry me, will she marry me. Okay, something like that you are related to, definitely a love related question. So you are asking about will we reconcile, because judgment card is there, or you are asking about will we be together. Okay, whatever is the question, the answer is not very clear, because the moon card is there. Maybe in your relationship, maybe family is interfering, or mother or mother figure is interfering in this connection. There are so many secrets also, because the moon card is all about the secrets, and it represents that someone is interfering in your connection, especially mother or mother figure, mother, sister, anybody. Maybe that can be your mother or sister, or your person's mother or sister. They are interfering in this connection, and definitely the answer is not very positive. Okay, it is kind of maybe, so you have to wait and see what will happen, because things are not clear right now, and things are hidden from you. Everything is not clear. So whatever you want, actually, the love is there, the divinely guided connection it is, and you both are soulmates. But the thing is, whatever the question you are asking, when it is coming to action, okay, this is the obstacle that you are facing from your family or their family side. So answer is maybe, friends. Maybe you can ask another pile, you can choose another pile and ask spirits. Okay, so answer is maybe. Okay, let's see. Whoever chose this amethyst, this reading is for you. Spirits and angels, please guide us whether the answer is yes or no. Please tell us yes or no. Okay, the devil, justice, and the devil again. Okay, so the devil card represents the toxic relationship or toxic things. Okay, maybe you're asking about your ex or your spouse or partner, and you are maybe dealing with the legal battles, and you are asking about the legal battles. Will I get divorced, or will I get married to this other person? Okay, will this person leave me so that I can marry my soulmate? Okay, something like that. This is also related to a relationship question you are asking about, that I can see here. So the devil always says that it is chained kind of energy, and it is sometimes it also says that it is negative answer, like so it is not good for you, because it is very toxic, and as long as you are in this connection or relationship, this will be toxic, and it will not, you will not be happy, or the other person will not be happy. It is always better that you both should separate. Okay, and live your life happily, because even justice card is also there. So justice card also represents that legal battles or divorce matters, and for some people, you might be something good is awaiting for you. Maybe someone is good for you, they are waiting to marry. Okay, so the answer is definitely no, friends. Okay, so if you want, you can choose any other pile to get the correct answer. Okay, whoever chose this white agate, this reading is for you. Yes or no? Please, spirit, please answer the question. Say yes or no for their question, whatever is the question. Okay, so first card is Seven of Cups, and the second one is Page of Pentacles, and the Empress. Okay, so I feel that you are asking about some, you are not able to decide between something. Maybe it can be jobs or career, or maybe regarding a love relationship or marriage. Okay, you are not able to decide because everything looks very good for you, and everything is you, even you have the self-worth issues also, I can see here. So you don't know whether the other person will accept you or not, or they will give you job or not, or you will go to abroad or not, some this kind of questions you are asking. Okay, so definitely you will receive a positive response from the person whom you are expecting. Okay, may be your lover or job related, your boss or any travel agent, anybody. Okay, whatever you are expecting, the positive answer come towards you, positive information will come towards you, but it will take time. Okay, it is not so fast, because page of pentacles is there. Page of pentacles means it is uh, information. You will get the information, maybe some message or call or anything, text or anything like that, and but it will take time. Okay, so but the final answer is yes, because the empress is there. So if you are asking about marriage, will I get married this year? Okay, yes, because the empress card is there. Empress means abundance. Will I be rich? Yes, you will be rich, but not so soon. Okay, so it will take time, because empress card is there. Pregnant lady, you can see here. Even if you are asking about any pregnancy, yes, you will be pregnant and you will have kids also. If you are asking, maybe you don't have children and you are waiting for children, or you are waiting to conceive. So whatever is the question, the answer is yes, 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 because the empress card is very, very positive card. So definitely the answer is yes. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Okay, please, spirits and angels, please guide us, give us some guidance. Say the answer yes or no, whatever is the question. Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so maybe you are asking related to job, travel, or some passion, something you have in your mind. Maybe you are sexually attracted to somebody, some other person, and you are asking whether we will reconcile or not. Maybe this person is your friend in your friend circle, or for some of you I can feel same sex and same gender. Okay, so no offense here. So you are asking about will we reconcile, we will have passionate reconciliation, can we be together, can we this is kind of a passionate question. Okay, so you are asking about will I okay, will I get this person into my life, will this person contact me, will they come back to me? Okay, that kind of a question you are asking. Okay, so the answer is no, because the Hanged Man is there. Hanged Man clearly says the answer is no. So please don't mind, I mean, if you want you can choose any other pile also. Okay, that is the answer I got for you. Whoever chose this rose quartz, this reading is for you. Please, spirits and angels, say yes or no for my viewers. Hierophant. Sorry, friends. The Moon. And the High Priestess. Okay. So definitely you are asking about marriage, reconciliation. Maybe you are separated from your spouse, husband, wife. So you are asking, will we be together? Will we reconcile? Will I get married to this person? Maybe you broke up with your lover and you are asking, will we reconcile? Okay, so I can also see that there is mother issues here, family problems are here. Maybe you are asking about will I get this position, will I get this job, will I get a manager position or a higher position in my job or career. Okay, so the answer is kind of, if you are asking about any job related thing, so the universe is saying that there are some secrets involved in this, there are some hidden things are there which you don't know, which you are not aware. So things are not clear for you, so better you stay calm, take some rest, and do some meditation retreat. And you are intuitive, okay? Whoever asked this question, they are very very intuitive. Ask yourself whether what your heart says. Believe in your gut feeling, believe in your intuition, okay? So then you will definitely get the answer. So the answer for this question, whatever is the question, the answer is maybe. So if you want clarity, you can choose another pile. Okay, that's all. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Okay, whoever chose this green aventurine, this reading is for you. Yes or no? Spirits and angels, please give us the answer, yes or no. Knight of Swords, the World, the World again. Okay, so you are asking about a travel. You want to go to abroad, or you got a job in different country. Maybe because of lockdown you are stuck here, and you want to know whether I can make a move. Suppose you are asking about any love relationship also. So if you are asking about should I make a move, should I contact them, okay? So will I get the positive response from them? Should I make a move, first step from my side, or something you want to meet the other person, or travel involved here? Then you want to meet the other person and clarify things, because you are in so much love with the other person. Maybe you have completed one cycle in your love relationship, and you want to know whether the things will be positive in your life or not. Whatever is the question, the answer will be definitely yes, because the World card came twice. So answer is very very positive. The answer for your question is yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Whoever chose this golden quartz, this reading is for you. Please spirit say yes or no. Ace of Cups, Eight of Cups, and the Judgment. Okay, so you are definitely asking about a love related question. You both are separated, and you are almost like walking away, or the other person walked away from your connection, and you want some new beginning in this connection. Okay, and you are asking, will we reconcile, will we be together, will we get married together? So something like that, reconnect, reunion, this kind of vibe I'm getting. And your heart is overflowing with the love, and you both love each other, and you both are like divinely guided, and you believe that you both are soulmates. But something happened between you. Now you both are not talking, and the other person walked away, or you walked away from the connection. And now you want to know, will we reconcile? Okay, maybe the distance is so much that you don't know whether you will be together or not. So that is the reason you are asking the question, but the answer is very positive. Judgment card is there. Definitely you will reconcile. The answer is yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this carnelian, this reading is for you. Please spirits and angels guide us, give us some guidance, give us some answer, yes or no. The Sun, wow. Four of Cups and Strength. Okay, so definitely you might be asking about love related question, or because someone, you feel that somebody is your sunshine, and you are very happy with the other person, but you don't know whether the other person also is feeling the same or not. It is kind of unconfessed love. Or for some of you, you have proposed the other person, but the other person is not accepting, rejected you, ignored you. You want to ask whether the how what can you expect from this connection, okay, what is the future of this connection, something like that. You are asking about some love related question only. Then the answer we got is strength, and which is a positive one, because paired up with sun card, okay. So sun means it will dominate any other card in the whole spread, okay. So definitely answer is yes, yes, yes. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. What is the answer for their question? Yes or no? King of Cups, Ten of Swords, and the Emperor. Okay, so you are asking about a person, okay, and you want to know whether you will marry the other person or the other person will marry you, because this is also, I feel like, love related question. For some of you, you are feeling that will I get my job back? Maybe you lost your job, and maybe during lockdown, because of that they said that we are not sure whether we can keep you or not. Some position related also, okay, some job related also some people are asking, but some people are asking about the second marriage, or this is kind of a love related question, well, whether this person will marry me or not. So you are in a king of cups position, and you are waiting patiently, you have everything, but this person is not there. You are deeply in pain, you are waiting for this person, you feel that this is ended, there is no way that you both will be together. And the other person also little bit narcissist, I can say that. I mean, both have some ego problems, okay. So ego problems are there, and you don't know how to connect with the other person or reconcile with the other person. So you are asking the question whether it is yes or no, but I feel it is maybe. Normally Emperor is a positive card only, but at the same time it is paired up with the Ten of Swords, so I feel that the answer is maybe. So you can choose any other pile to get the clarity or clear answer, okay. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Okay, so you are asking about your money, career, job. Okay, you are working hard, and you want to grow. Okay, you want to go further, you want to do further studies, or you want to get a highly paid job. Okay, so you are asking about that, and you want a powerful position like King of Swords, and you are asking about that. For some of you, you are asking about a person, okay, who is a divorcee, who is a single mom or a dad, and you are asking whether we both will get married or not, we both will be together or not. Okay, that is what I can see. But Hierophant is a marriage card, so definitely the answer is yes, because Hierophant is there. You both are working very hard in this connection, and the other person is building their wealth or building their finances, and they are in a very high position, I can see that. So definitely the answer is yes, the Hierophant. If you are asking about marriage, definitely you both will get married. So the answer is yes, yes, yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Last but not least, this is Peach Moonstone. Please, spirits and angels, say yes or no. Death, Seven of Pentacles, and the Star. Okay, so you might be asking about your health. For some of you, you are asking about your health, and some of you are asking about your finances or money, and for some of you, you are asking about will I be famous, will I get this job, will I be an actress or actor, So will I be celebrity, something like that. Okay, I'm getting different questions. Some people are asking, is this over, this connection is over, or any chances there? For some of you, you are asking, is there any hope in this connection? So will I get married to my soulmate, something like that. Okay, all these questions I am getting. But death card says that it is already like a kind of a dead thing, and death and rebirth. Okay, death means it is not always death, but it is connected with the rebirth also. So whatever happened in the past is done, but you will be recovering. If you are asking about health, definitely you will recover from your illness, and you will gain your confidence again. And if you are asking about a person, that person is spying on you, they are carefully watching you, they did not forget you. And but they are not making any move. Okay, so whatever happened between you, like kind of a death in the past, so this person is not making a move, but they are patiently waiting for you to contact, or hear from you, or sign from you. Okay, but there is a hope in this connection. The star card is there. Star card is always a positive card, so the answer is yes for you. Whatever is the question, the answer is yes. Okay, that's all I have for you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.